Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sharpen your footage in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a video in my timeline over here. If I go to the edit page, as you can see in my timeline, I can select this video, and now that it's selected here, that's pretty much all we're going to be using the edit page for. Now to sharpen it, and let me just make it clearer, just make it a bit larger. As you can see, it is relatively quite blurry. Now, if I want to sharpen this when the video is selected, what you need to do is go into the color tab. From here, you'll see this blur tool, which looks like a drop of liquid next to a triangle. Just click on that, and now you'll have this radius here. Now, the radius is pretty much what you're going to be using to actually sharpen your video. The more you increase the radius, the blurrier the video gets, as you can see, and by the default, it's going to be at 0.5 on all three colors. Now, what you're going to want to do is lower this as much as you want and as much as you need. If you go overboard to 0, it can look a bit ugly. As you can see, the video is not as pretty as it could be. So I recommend somewhere finding a sweet spot between 0.3 and 0.45. That's pretty much somewhere around the sweet spot for most of my videos, and that's pretty much it. Now, as you can see, the video is a bit sharper. However, it still retains its original look. It still looks pretty. It doesn't look way too overdone, if different from when I lower it down to 0, as you can see here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just keep it between 30 and 45. In my opinion, that's going to produce the best results, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.